Hi everyone, good evening. Every successful person fails over and over and over again. Focus and fail fast and quickly try something new. It is impossible for a person to become successful without any experience of failure. So, fail fast. The faster you fail and learn, the faster that you become successful, whatever field that you have right now. You actually learn success to become successful when you experience how to fail. And those successful people don't think about failure. And if you say, what is your failure? And you do not think about it, sabi nga ni Thomas Johnson, if you want to become successful, you have to increase your experience of failure, because success lies on the far sides of failure. Successful people have learning experience, painful learning experience, expensive learning experiences, but happens fail. And the only thing that you have remain in you is your interesting to learn experience. And if you learn from experience, you get smarter and smarter and smarter, and it is a sense of education. So it is important for us to experience anything, even it's the failure side. So fail fast, because when you fail fast, you learn a lot of things that you can use and apply in your life for you to become a successful person. And good thing, because when you are able to experience everything or anything, you will surprise the magic when doing that. Hope you learn something in this motivational talk that we have. Hindi masama ang magkamali. Ang masama is hindi ka nag-try. Kaya okay lang na magkamali, kasi dun ka matututo. Fail fast.